Thank you for tuning into this brief tutorial on accessing and understanding degree works as a graduate student. To access degree works, first log into Brockportal. From the Brockportal home screen, select the Student Records tab. Then, select the Student Academic Profile link. From the Student Profile page, click on Degree Works. Once you have accessed DegreeWorks, you will see your personal information including your name, student ID, GPA, and your advisor. If you have not been assigned an advisor and there is no advisor listed, contact your graduate program director. If you do not know who this is, please reach out to the Center for Graduate Studies. Your degree audit contains information regarding your program courses and requirements for degree completion. Incomplete courses are indicated by a hollow red circle. This means that in order to graduate, you will need to register for the course in the upcoming semesters, take the course, and receive a qualifying grade to satisfy the degree requirement. In-progress courses are indicated by a blue half-filled circle. This means that you are either currently taking the class or are registered for it for the following semester. Once a course is complete, you will see a green circle with a check mark inside. The grade and number of credits earned are also displayed in your degree audit. If you have earned any transfer credits, they will be indicated on your degree audit as graduate transfer credit. Transfer credits need to be approved by your academic department before being added to your degree audit. Your program may require trainings or other learning experiences outside of traditional academic courses. These may be displayed on your degree audit and may include additional completion information. Near the bottom of your degree audit, courses for which you received a failing grade are displayed. The failing grade means the course was excluded from your progress toward degree completion, and you will need to repeat the course for credit. An E indicates the course was completed, but no credit was earned. Until a course has been repeated, a grade of E will be factored into the overall GPA. Any repeated courses will be indicated in the repeated column with a Y. An I before a grade indicates that the course was incomplete for the enrollment semester, but completed in the following semester. Lastly, all in-progress or pre-registered courses for an upcoming semester will be displayed at the bottom of your degree audit and will indicate which semester and year you are taking it. If your degree audit does not match the progress you have made in your program, please reach out to your advisor for help. For additional guidance, don't hesitate to reach out to the Center for Graduate Studies at gradadmit@brockport.edu.